Samsung isn't stopping at just one foldable for 2026. Alongside the expected Galaxy Z Fold 8, rumors say Samsung is also preparing a larger, wide-style book fold, a bold response to Apple's first-ever iPhone Fold, which could drop next year and shake up the entire market. So, what makes this wide fold different? Reports suggest it could merge two tall displays into a unique 1:1 square-like aspect ratio, similar to Google's Pixel Fold, while the Z Fold 8 sticks to Samsung's traditional design. This move feels like Samsung teaming with Google's vision to counter Apple's iPad-like foldable approach. But here's the twist: don't expect a fan edition model. Sources indicate Samsung might cut the Flip FE and Fold FE altogether, focusing instead on premium foldables. And yes, the mysterious Galaxy Z trifold with its rumored 10-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and slim lightweight design, is still on track. Now, let's talk hardware. The Z Fold 7 already impressed with titanium build, slim profile, and a 200-megapixel camera. But the Z Fold 8 might lose titanium due to supply issues, switching back to carbon fiber reinforced plastic. On the bright side, insiders expect a massive 5,000 mAh battery, finally catching up with rivals from Oppo and Google. Cameras. Rumors point to upgrades for the ultra-wide or telephoto sensors, though it's too early for certainty. And as for displays, we might see a more rectangular inner screen, perfect for widescreen video with less wasted space. Bottom line, Samsung's foldable roadmap looks ambitious. Between the Fold 8, a possible wide fold, and even a trifold, 2026 could be the year Samsung goes all in to stay ahead of Apple's iPhone Fold. So what do you think? Will Samsung's bold foldables keep Apple at bay, or is the iPhone Fold about to dominate?